What's up? Hey guys, it's Ivan. In this video, I want to show you how to create a Microsoft Ads call-only campaign. Now, this isn't as advanced or developed as the Google call-only campaign as I show in one of my previous videos, but it gets as close to it as possible. So this is what it would look like. This is on a mobile phone only, and it would show the phone number here as the title, as the headline, instead of the actual headline. And users will have the ability to, when they click on that, they will instantly call the number, which is pretty awesome. That's what you want. Now, a real call-only campaign, we've been asking Microsoft Ads for a long time now. I sent in numerous feature requests. They said they're still working on it, but the way we do it here is with call extensions, okay? And it will look like this. So I'm going to show you how to set that up. So we're going to be working with this website here, Irene Diamond Piano Studio. Congratulations, you're the lucky winner of our sample campaign here. And this is the number we'll be using to create the campaign. So I'll start from scratch. I'll go into the extensions to show you what you have to do exactly. And that's how you'll build out something that looks like this, okay? So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is click on Create Campaign. You can select any one of these, really. It's just Microsoft will give you specific extension recommendations based on what you select. But to make it easier, we'll select phone calls. And as I mentioned, the magic really happens at the extension level, but I just want to go from start to finish because after all, the video is about a call-only ad, not call-only extensions. So let's enter a campaign name. Let's say Piano Studio, right? Doesn't really matter. Doesn't really matter. We'll just fill in some of these blanks. So website URL, let's enter this. We still need to enter the website URL, even though it's a call-only ad because of the extension, right? It ends up being a call-only ad because of the extension, not because of the ad format itself. So ad group name, let's say maybe something like piano. Let's just put in some keywords, maybe piano, learn piano, right? Not a big deal. Focus here isn't on the keywords. So we do have to create an ad here. So we'll be going with expanded text ad. Final URL will be that. For the title, let's just put in the name. So we'll say Irene Diamond Piano Studio. For title part 2, let's say call now to get, I believe they have a free offer or something. Yeah, free consultation. Call now. So maybe let's say call now for free consultation. Perfect, that fits. Title part 3 is optional. We'll say updated for 2019, just for kicks. For ad text 1, let's say maybe something like, let's just copy that and put that in, because again, these parts don't matter too much. However, as you see from this image here, sometimes the headline won't show, okay? Not every time. But sometimes the headline will not show. So you will need to make your product very clear in the URL and in the description, okay? And maybe even in the site link extensions if you add them. So make sure that your description is very clear as well as your URL, right? So if you're promoting, for example, a ClickBank product, don't enter the ClickBank URL, hop.clickbank. whatever, right? Because people won't be clear what this is about. But because it says piano lessons in New York City, that's pretty clear, okay? So that's our description, okay? That's fine. Oh, it exceeded. So let's say we have been the leading source for piano and vocal lessons in New York for more than 25 years. Let's say for piano lessons in New York for more than 25 years, okay? So let's just say that for now. Let's just leave this blank and let's click save. So here's our ad. We can duplicate ads, okay, just like regular ads and stuff like that. So over here is where the magic happens, okay? This is where the call-only campaign structure actually occurs. So let me go back here and copy the number. So this 1212, I'll copy it, go back here, and I'm going to add a new call extension. Let's say this is United States because it is entered here. Okay, and now what we have to do here is we have to select show just the phone number. Okay, so that's important to select. And this is where the magic happens. So make sure you select show just the phone number so that when people actually click on your ad, they start calling, not going to your website. Okay, that's important, and that's really how you create this call only campaign. Now you may have another option here, which will just ask you if you want to use conversion tracking, if you want to use the your phone number, or if you want to use the Microsoft Ads forwarding number. You can use either one. If you use a forwarding number, then Microsoft Ads will replace this number with their own number. That way you can track conversions in the Microsoft Ads platform, okay? But this is the main thing here, so make sure you select show just the phone number, okay? Then we'll click save. We'll click save here. We'll click go to next step. All this doesn't matter. Yeah, so with 5-cent bids, I'll get 9 impressions monthly on average. I'll click save. And that's pretty much it. That is how you do it. Now, if you want to access these extensions again, you can go back here into add extensions. And if you want to change a number or something like that, you select call extension here. You can do so right here. So you can edit it, and you can do the changes as you see fit. You know, if you want to add a different number for a different campaign, you just select add, stuff like that. Very simple. One thing to keep in mind is, because this is an extension, your phone number might not show up every time, okay? So extensions, they show up when space allows, stuff like that, depending on many factors. So it's not every time that now your phone number will show, but most of the time it should look something like this, which is, in general, a call-only campaign, because when people click on it, they call. They don't go on the website. So this is how you create this Microsoft Ads call-only campaign. If you guys have any questions, let me know down below. If you enjoyed this video, you might also like my videos on Google Ads and Facebook Ads, which I'll attach up above right there. So check those out. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.